Lord prides itself on being able to service our customers, especially when they have the high priority needs with aircraft that may be on the ground and need to get back up as soon as possible. So the repair station is a unique department within the Lord Erie facility. This department is actually taking parts that have been out flying on the aircraft in the field, and they are deconstructing that part, salvaging off the certain pieces that we're going to be using, then inspect those parts to make sure that they're airworthy. At that time, we combine those with new components and we use our Lord elastomer to bond those together. And then there's some finish operations after that. Those parts are then shipped across the whole world. Some of the benefits with the aftermarket parts is that there's a quicker lead time to the customer. We have an exchange pool that we have built up so that the customer can get the parts within a very short window in order to get their aircraft back out and flying and avoid any of the aircraft on the ground situations. When we salvage a part, we're taking those metal components apart and determining what can be saved. Then we start to do our inspection on it. We'll test that part, make sure that's airworthy and able to be used on a part, get that bonded and get together for a finished complete part. Our Lord aftermarket parts, when they've been salvaged, the metal components are treated much like they would on a new component. Lord has a unique ability of supplying both new parts and used. We pride ourselves in the aftermarket and the repair station on getting the parts to the customer as quickly as possible. That Lord quality part is continually delivered on time and they can depend on us. That quick turnaround is something that the repair station really strives to be able to deliver to our customers.